In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the half double decrease stitch. So all that means is that you're basically going to work 2 half double crochets together to combine it into one stitch. That way you're decreasing your row by that stitch. So if you have a pattern that shows hdc, the number 2, tog, that just means hdc 2 stitches together. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Do a yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull that loop through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. So rather than finishing that stitch, you're just going to do a yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you'll see that you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And there you have your decrease stitch. You can see that you just worked 2 stitches together. Okay, let me show you that again. Yarn over, insert it into the stitch, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, pull up a loop. There you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5. So there you have it. You can see that you just stitched 2 half double crochets together to combine it into one. Okay, let me show you again. Yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5. And that is how you do the half double crochet decrease stitch. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I hope that you will subscribe. And I want to thank you for watching today, and have a great day. Thank you, and bye-bye.